In this video, I will show you how to use Recut to speed up your video workflow. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. First, we need to upload our video to Recut. Once you have selected your video, you can then open it. So once our video has been uploaded, we will see that Recut has removed silences and mistakes. You will see it highlighted in pink on your timeline. If the sensitivity is too high, you can go into the top right and reduce that, which then loosens the cuts. And if it is too loose, you can then go back to the right, which tightens the cuts. Once you are happy with the cuts, the silences and mistakes being removed, you can then go to the top right and export your video. Once you have exported your video, you can then go and edit it on another platform, and this helps reduce about 80% of your video cutting time. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.